Hey CIS teachers, when you go to your Canvas account, you're going to notice that your FieldEd classes are populating as a zero period. For example, I teach Human and Social Development in FieldEd, and it's showing up as a zero period. I want you to click on your class, and I want you to import from Commons the FieldEd class template I've created. Click on that, import and download. And you can import and download it to the multiple zero period courses you have. Like I have an English 3 and an English 4 class I'm also teaching on FieldEd, and all of those are populating as zero period courses. So I'm going to import this template into those classes. Now, when I go back to my dashboard and I click on that zero period class, the template basically tells the students that they need to access FieldEd in order to complete any content for the class. So I want you to go in and just edit the home page so it reflects your FieldEd class. And in the modules page, I've just created tabs for you to include your FieldEd course syllabus, your FieldEd pacing guide. There's a Zoom code of conduct in case you're going to use Zoom for any reason, how to contact teacher, and then some FieldEd training resources. Make sure you click on all of these tabs and just ensure that it's your information in there, because I've put placeholders there for you. Now when our students click on that Canvas page for their FieldEd class, it will direct them to the right place. You do not have to put all your grades in this Canvas course. Again, on the home page, I've told students your grades for this course will be posted in FieldEd. So it's going to direct our students to FieldEd, but it will populate as a Canvas course. Thank you.